When it comes to making small cars, Hyundai really knows its stuff. We were impressed with the i10 when we drove that recently, and now Hyundai set its sights on the Supermini class with this, the all-new i20. Here's everything you need to know about it.
The third generation of the brand Supermini will have its work cut out if it wants to challenge for class honours against the Ford Fiesta, the Volkswagen Polo and our current favourite, the Renault Clio. But Hyundai claims it'll put up a fight thanks to strong equipment levels, class-leading safety kit and mild hybrid powertrains.
Now, it's fair to say that the last i20 played it pretty safe when it came to design, but it's all changed this time around. Just take a look at this front end. These lights are much sharper and longer than before, and they actually blend fully into the grille. There's creases over the bonnet to make it look a lot more sporty, and the whole nose is very low too. So yeah, it looks way more distinctive than before.
The new i20 rides on a heavily updated version of the car's old platform, and the sportier shape is helped by a lower, wider body than before.
It's all changed at the back too. I really like this red strip that runs the full width of the car, and then the diffuser which is finished in gloss black at the bottom.
The interior is completely different, starting with a brand new design of 4-spoke steering wheel and air vents which blend into the dash. Top spec models get a Mercedes A-Class style brace of 10-inch digital displays, one for driving functions and another for the infotainment system. Practicality has been improved this time around thanks to increased rear legroom and a boot that has grown 25 litres to 351 litres.
Under the bonnet, the i20 gets an all-petrol lineup. While a lot of the engines are carried over from the old model, the big news this time around is that there's 48-volt mild hybrid tech available too.
This hybrid setup recovers energy when the car slows down and uses it under acceleration to take load off the engine. In the UK, we're only going to get the 99 brake horsepower 1 litre, but international buyers will also get a 118 brake horsepower version of the same unit, plus a 1.2 petrol with 83 brake horsepower too. Even though the 1.2 isn't a hybrid, that also gets a few tweaks to make it more efficient than the version in the old car. The mild hybrids come with a choice of 7-speed dual clutch automatic or a 6-speed manual gearbox. The manual is all new and uses an electronic clutch which allows the gearbox to disconnect from the engine when coasting to save more fuel. And the efficiency gains don't stop there. The new i20 is roughly 4% lighter than before thanks to a lighter fuel tank plus front seats that each weigh 3 kilos less. Combine all of these measures with active grille flaps at the front of the car, and Hyundai engineers reckon that the latest i20 is 3 to 4% more efficient than the old one. Hyundai also claims that the i20 will lead the class when it comes to safety tech. The cruise control works with a sat-nav to adjust to changing speed limits, and a lane keeper system can steer the car for short periods.
Prices for the new i20 haven't been announced yet, but that's all going to be confirmed a little closer to when it's due to go on sale in September.
If you enjoyed this video and like to see more like it, then like it, subscribe to the Auto Express channel and click on the bell icon to receive notifications as soon as our videos go live.